Hi guys, here we are at lesson 11, and today we're working on subtracting decimals in different ways. So we've added decimals in different ways. We've added decimals using the standard algorithm. Now you got it, subtracting decimals in different ways. And I have a video for us. I know, a video of a video. How about that? But here we go. Please watch the video. All right, so go to page 103 in your Learn book, and you can see the word problem that goes along with this video. I'm going to play the video one more time. If you need to pause the video, get your Learn book and go to page 103 if you want to look over it, or if you want to just watch the video, I'm going to replay it for you now. All right. And let me just get rid of that for us. And let's look at the word problem, which you have on page 103 in your book. There we go. Okay, there we go. Jada is making lemonade. She has 2 4/10 liters of water in the pitcher. She pours 3/5 liters, so that's between 3/10 and 4/10, right? One more place value out. 3/5 liters of lemon juice into the pitcher. Jada gets a spoon to stir the lemon juice and the water, but her dog bumps the table. Some liquid spills out of the pitcher. The pitcher now has 2 25 liters of liquid. How much liquid spilled out of the pitcher? Okay, so like with all word problems, what can we draw to represent this problem? Maybe you're thinking we can draw a tape diagram. So on your page, page 103, go ahead and draw a tape diagram that represents the first part of this problem, because, you know, in 5th grade, we have a lot of 2-part problems. So what do we need to draw first? She has 2 4/10 liters of water in a pitcher. She pours 3/5 liters of juice into the pitcher, and then her dog bumps it. Some spills out. She has this much left. How much spilled out? So yes, we need to think about what we have to start with. So here's our 2 4/10 liters, and then I'm trying to get it to match up, but I can't. So I'm just going to leave it like that. 3/5 liters of lemon juice. So we have 2 parts there. Sorry, just trying to get my pen. There we go. All right. So we have 2 4/10 liters of water, and we have 35 liters, 3/5 liters of lemon juice. So we need to figure out how much we have all together. So we're going to be adding these two decimals together. And then after the dog bumps the table, she has, sorry, I don't know why it's trouble with my tools today. She has 2 and 25 hundredths left. Well, that's more than 2 and 4 tenths, right? So it's a little bit like that. 2 and 25 hundredths left. Okay, so let's start with the first part of the problem. That's what's left after the dog. Okay, so you go ahead and add 2 and 4 tenths and 35 hundredths together. Maybe you already did, and that's going to be question 1 on your Edpuzzle. Okay, so please put the answer in there. You can do it vertical form. You can do it next unit. You could do it with a place value chart. Okay, go ahead and do that and put your answer in Edpuzzle. All right, well, when you add these two together, you hopefully got 2 and 75 hundredths liquid, right? Okay, so what do we need to do next? We need to subtract what is left so we can see what was missing, right? Okay, so there's a few different ways that you can subtract, but what I want you to think about is writing it in unit form, renaming your decimals in unit form, and that's going to be question number 2 in your Edpuzzle. So remember, unit form is where you have the number and the words. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, and think about the difference there. Okay, so if you have 2 and 75 hundredths minus 2 and 25 hundredths, maybe you noticed 2 minus 2, right? So I'm just going to write the numbers here, but you already wrote the unit form. So we can see we have 2 ones, and 2 take away 2, that would be 0. Then we have 75 hundredths and 25 hundredths. So we know that 75 take away 25 is 50, right? So that looks like 5 tenths or 50 hundredths left there. Maybe you did it mentally. Maybe you did it in vertical form like I did. Okay, well, today we are going to apply some of the methods that we used in subtracting whole numbers that you've been using since what, first or second grade for subtracting whole numbers? And we're going to subtract decimal numbers. All right, thanks. I'll see you in the next video, 11-2.